What's up guys, welcome back to a video today. Today we've got our sides strips collection. So we've got Chipotle, XIX Buffalo, and X Beet Korean Barbecue. These are the spares, so let's go look. We've got Korean barbecue, we've got Chipotle, another Chipotle, another Korean barbecue, and XIX Buffalo. And then another Chipotle, and then another Korean barbecue. Means I can tell I like sides, snacks. So yeah, it's good to have in my collection. So yeah, like, subscribe, and see you guys next time for another video. Bye.